Hi, in the previous episode we talked about what we need to start an ElasticXL cluster and the flow of the process. Now that we have a high-level understanding of the ElasticXL logic, let's start with the actual configuration. As I mentioned in the introduction to the series, the SMO configuration requires following the lead of our first-time configuration wizard. The appliance you have in hand, out of the box, will arrive with the latest version of the Gaia operating system and a default IP of 192.168.1.1. So all you need to do is connect via your preferred browser to your gateway by typing the IP address of the SMO in the URL section and start the first-time wizard. Enter the default admin and the password and click Next. After the welcome screen, choose your mode of installation and then make sure that the interface was configured properly. Otherwise, change it as needed and press Next. Give a name to the SMO and configure the DNS servers. Keep in mind that those configurations can be defined or changed later via the web UI. Set the time and date, and when you press Next, you will be asked to choose the installation type. Choose the Security Gateway and/or Security Management option and click Next. In Products, make sure to choose Security Gateway, and in the Clustering section, make sure to enable the Unit is part of a cluster type, and then choose the ElasticXL option. This simple action is what will differentiate this gateway from any other and set its path to greatness, so to speak, managing your cluster. Then click Next. Now we need to configure the SIC password, the Secure Internal Communication password we will use for establishing connection with Management Server to make things easier and quicker. If you have Management as a Service platform and want to connect it, paste the authentication token from the Smart Dashboard in the field at the bottom of the window. Click Next and finish the installation of the first member in your new ElasticXL cluster, the SMO member. This brings us to the end of this episode. Thank you for watching.